Hi everyone, my name is Sofia Kazakova, I'm the PR manager at Cellframe Network. Now let's take a look at how the first month of spring went for our development, marketing and ecosystem project teams. Let's go! Our multifunctional Cellframe Dashboard has officially been renamed Cellframe Wallet. The app's logic has changed radically. You no longer need to install a Cellframe node or download the full blockchain copy to your device. Cellframe Wallet can operate without it. Instead, it will request all necessary data from RPC nodes. With this update, the technical requirements for devices running our wallet are now significantly lower. Cellframe Wallet is a new, convenient tool for interacting with Cellframe ecosystem networks and tokens. The test version of the updated app is already available on our website. Join the testing now! Added support for voting with non-native tokens. Now votes can be held among holders of NCF20 tokens. Improve the shared fund transactions, which creates a virtual account where funds can only be withdrawn with signatures from a predefined group of people. Public keys and the minimum required signatures are specified when creating the transactions. Develop a mechanism for cancelling hard forks. Resume network fee collection for transactions 0.002 cell in the backbone network. These funds will be credited to special wallets and used for project development. Cellframe Python plugins are modules that expand the functionality of the Cellframe platform. They allow developers to add new features without modifying the core blockchain code. Written in Python, they are easy to use even for programming beginners. In March, we released a new staking plugin, implemented a DNS balancer for RPC nodes in remote Cellframe Wallet mode, added support for local Python infrastructure development on macOS, fixed issues with installing or removing the Cellframe Wallet package on Linux. You can check out all the details on bugs and new features in our work log on social media. Our tech writers have been hard at work as well. Published an article on automatic fork resolution, released a detailed guide on voting functionality on the Cellframe platform, documented the structure of TSD section in transactions, described Cellframe data elements, fully updated the article on transaction structure, replaced all mentions of dashboard in documentation with wallet for terminology consistency. You can find all these materials in our wiki. Links to each article are in the video description. The Node.sys team announced their participation in the startup pitch at the blockchain forum on April 23-24 in Moscow, completed hardware testing for Node Go 2, launched the beta version of the Defactory website with the manufactured catalog, released a joint prom video with hard-on-metal processing services via Defactory, announced new partnership and ongoing negotiations for participation in international blockchain events. Dotflat CEO Dmitry Nagornych will present the project at the startup pitch at the blockchain forum. Presale of governance tokens on Cellframe DEX and the project website continues. Part of the raised funds has been used to issue Dotflat flat coins. New Uniswap pools opened. DFC, ETH and DFC RLE. Ongoing development of Flatcoin issuance and staking functionality of the project website. Resumed network fee collection for transactions. 0.1 KEL in the KelVPN network. These funds will go toward further project development. KelVPN 8.0 release coming soon. The new version will introduce the long-awaited collaborative mode making KelVPN truly decentralized, a new CLI version of the app designed specifically for KelVPN routers. Work continues on enhancing EVM security and exploring its internal architecture. The main goal is to make 32-byte addresses compatible with Cellframe as a separate addresses type. These addresses will be secure for the network and accessible for Web3. New partnerships have been established, including a collaboration with the European publicly traded investment fund. CPUNK is a quantum-secure meme coin built on the Cellframe blockchain with its own utility. In March, CPUNK was listed on Bitcointry. The team released DNA to the public and continues improving it. Testnet launched, exploring the possibility of launching its own L1 in the Cellframe ecosystem. The CF20 protocol is now listed on Bitcointry. Strategic partnership agreement signed between Cellframe and CodeMelt, a company specializing in Web3 and blockchain development. We plan to actively expand the Cellframe ecosystem over the next year, attracting new and exciting projects. At March 27, we held our traditional AMA session with Dmitry Gerasimov. Our team is actively preparing for Blockchain Forum 2025 in April. This time, we are not only showcasing our booth, but also sponsoring the startup pitch. Dmitry Gerasimov, CEO of Demlabs and lead of the Cellframe project, will join the jury to evaluate the most promising startups. Visit us at booth G30. We'd love to meet you! Join our social media channels to stay updated with the latest Cellframe news. See you next time!